Welcome to Daily English Grow.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Grow. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome back, everyone. Maybe you are drinking coffee, walking outside, cleaning your room, or just relaxing. Thank you for spending this time with us.
Today, we are talking about something very important, something many people want but sometimes do not know how to start.
Yes, today's topic is learn how to love yourself.
Leo, this topic feels big. Sometimes people hear love yourself, but they do not really understand what it means.
That is true. Some people think loving yourself means thinking you are perfect, but actually, loving yourself means accepting yourself, caring for yourself, and being kind to yourself, even when life feels difficult.
So, if someone is listening right now and thinking, I don't know how to love myself, where should they start?
I think the first step is simple but powerful. Stop being so hard on yourself.
Yes. Many people speak to themselves in a very unkind way. Maybe they make one mistake and suddenly say, I am stupid, or I always fail.
Exactly. But imagine saying those words to your best friend. You probably would not do that. So why say it to yourself?
Good question. Maybe today, if you make a mistake, try saying something kinder. Instead of, I am terrible, maybe say, I made a mistake, but I can learn.
Yes, that is a beautiful start. Loving yourself often begins with the words you say to yourself every day.
Leo, I think another difficult thing for many people is the past.
Yes. The past can feel heavy sometimes.
Maybe someone listening still feels sad about mistakes they made years ago. Maybe they hurt someone, failed at something, or made a choice they regret.
If that is you, I want to tell you something important. You are allowed to forgive yourself.
Wow, that sounds powerful.
Think about it. We are human beings. Human beings make mistakes. Making mistakes does not make you bad. It makes you human.
And forgiving yourself does not mean saying, everything was okay. It means saying, I learned, I grew, and I want to move forward.
Yes, maybe ask yourself, what did this mistake teach me? Sometimes growth comes from difficult moments.
Leo, can I ask something?
Of course.
Why do people compare themselves so much?
Comparison. That is a big one. Sometimes we look at other people and think, they are better than me. Maybe someone looks richer, smarter, prettier, more successful, or happier.
Especially online. Social media can make people feel bad sometimes.
Yes, but remember this. You are seeing only a small part of someone's life. Nobody posts every sad moment, every fear, or every bad day.
Instead of comparing yourself to others, compare yourself to the person you were before. Maybe today you are a little stronger. Maybe today you are trying harder.
Exactly. Small progress is still progress. If you only walked one small step today, that still matters.
I like that. What about people who always feel they are not good enough?
I think many people feel that way sometimes. But often, the problem is not that they are not enough. The problem is they only look at what is missing.
Oh, yes. Maybe someone says, I am not smart enough. But maybe that person is kind, patient, funny, or hardworking.
Exactly. Loving yourself means seeing your good parts too. Maybe today, write 3 good things about yourself, even small things.
Like, I make good tea?
Yes, why not? Or maybe, I listen well, I care about people, or I keep trying.
Little things matter. Leo, I also think self-love means taking care of yourself.
Absolutely. Sometimes people think self-love must be something big, but sometimes it is simple. Sleeping enough, drinking water, going outside, resting when tired.
Eating food that helps your body feel go. Talking kindly to yourself. Giving yourself time to breathe.
Yes, because if you always ignore yourself, how can you feel cared for?
Hmm. What about saying no?
Ah, yes, boundaries. Many people are afraid to say no because they do not want others to feel bad. But always saying yes can make you tired and unhappy.
Loving yourself means protecting your peace, too. Sometimes saying no is healthy.
Exactly. Saying no does not make you mean. It means respecting your energy and time.
I think another important thing is accepting bad days. Because sometimes people think loving yourself means always feeling happy.
But life does not work like that. Some days are difficult. Some days you feel tired, sad, or confused. And that is okay.
Yes, you do not need to be perfect to deserve kindness from yourself.
You deserve kindness even on hard days.
Leo, I think many people believe they need to become perfect before loving themselves.
Yes, I hear that a lot. Some people think, I will love myself when I lose weight, or I will love myself when I become successful. But self-love should not wait for the future.
So you mean we should start now?
Yes, right now. Even if life is messy. Even if you still have problems. Even if you still have many things to improve.
That sounds beautiful. Because many people spend years waiting to feel good enough.
And maybe that day never comes. So instead, try saying, I am growing and I still deserve care.
I like that sentence. Maybe someone should write it on their wall.
Not a bad idea. Another important step is learning to speak kindly to yourself every day.
The positive self-talk?
Yes, exactly. Sometimes we become our own biggest enemy. We say things to ourselves that we would never say to someone we love.
Like, I always fail.
Or, I am not good enough. Try changing those sentences slowly. Instead of, I always fail, say, sometimes I fail, but I am learning.
Instead of, nobody likes me, maybe say, I am still learning to connect with people.
Exactly. The way you speak to yourself matters more than you think.
Leo, can we talk about confidence?
Of course,
Many people think confidence appears suddenly, like magic.
I wish it worked like that. But confidence grows slowly, like a small plant. Every time you try something new, every time you stand up after a hard day, confidence grows little by little.
So confidence is practice?
Yes, maybe today your step is small. Maybe you speak in class. Maybe you finally start that project. Maybe you simply believe in yourself a little more.
Small steps are still important. I think people forget that.
Yes, and please celebrate small wins.
Hmm, what do you mean?
Maybe today you woke up early. Maybe you finished homework. Maybe you drank more water or stopped one negative thought. Celebrate progress,
Even tiny progress?
especially tiny progress.
I think another thing that stops people from loving themselves is fear.
Fear of what?
Fear of failing. Fear of what people think. Fear of not being accepted.
That is very true. But remember something important. You cannot control what everyone thinks. Some people may like you. Some people may not. And that is normal.
Yes. Not everyone will understand us.
And you do not need everyone to love you to start loving yourself.
Wow, that is powerful. Leo, what about rest?
Ah, yes, rest is important. Some people feel guilty when they rest. They think resting means laziness. But rest helps us become stronger. Your body needs rest. Your mind needs rest too.
Sometimes self-love is saying, today I need a break.
Exactly. You are not a machine.
Another thing. What if someone listening feels lonely?
That can feel very hard. But sometimes learning to enjoy your own company is important too. Maybe go for a walk, listen to music, read something you enjoy. Spend quiet time with yourself.
And remember, being alone sometimes does not mean you are not valuable.
Yes, your value does not disappear because someone leaves or because you feel lonely.
That is an important reminder. Leo, I think gratitude can help too.
Gratitude toward yourself?
Yes, maybe at night ask yourself, what did I do well today? Even something small.
I love that idea. Maybe say, I tried today. I stayed strong. I kept going.
Because sometimes surviving a hard day is already success.
Very true. And remember this, loving yourself is not one big moment. It is small actions every day. A kind word, a healthy choice, a moment of forgiveness, a little patience with yourself.
So if you are listening today and feeling lost, start small. Forgive yourself. Stop speaking badly to yourself. Celebrate little progress. Rest when you need rest, and remember that you are growing.
We should also talk about our bodies. Society tells us we have to look perfect, which makes us criticize ourselves every time we see a mirror.
We should focus on what our bodies do for us, not just how they look. Your body carries you through life and allows you to experience the world.
That's a great reminder. Our bodies work so hard for us every second. Feeding them well and giving them rest is a way of saying thank you.
Yes, be grateful for your health and your strength. Your body is your home, so try to make it a kind and loving place to live.
This journey of self-love takes time, so please be patient with yourselves. It's a daily practice, not something that happens overnight.
Thank you for joining us on Daily English Grow. We hope this episode helped you feel a little more confident and loved today.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell us in the comments one thing you love about yourself. We would love to read your positive stories.
Keep practicing, keep growing, and most importantly, keep being kind to yourself. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye!